Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm working on another Lord of the Rings diorama, and this one is based on Orthanc, Saruman's tower. Now the whole thing is made out of grey board, which is a very thin but dense cardboard that you can buy quite cheaply. And I've made it in two sections. This is the lower section, but there's another one to go on top of this, and altogether the tower will be about 6 feet tall. Now whenever I make a tower, I always start by making the base and the top, and they act as a kind of template. If I just move upwards, I can show you the top of the tower. It's just an X shape cut out of the grey board, but it acts as a template because it tells you how wide the side walls need to be. They need to match this length here and this length going inwards, and as long as that all matches up, everything should fit together pretty well. So I cut up all of the pieces from grey board, glued it together, and got the overall structure made very quickly. The next step was to add the detail, and obviously there's a lot of detail here, so it would be very time consuming to make it, but I've tried to develop some techniques to make it a bit easier. So first of all, you've got these horizontal bands. These are just made from rods of pine sawed up and glued on. We've got these vertical striations here. They are made from wooden coffee stirrers. I've got some matchsticks above as well. But then I've also got these details which are quite intricate, and it would be very time consuming and laborious to have to cut up those individually. So what I did was I went to a cheap shop and I bought a packet of 50 wooden clothes pegs for 50p. Now what you do is you separate the pegs so you get two pieces, and some of them I've glued on whole, like these ones down here, all in a line, but some of them I actually sawed in half and just glued the top portion on to give you these details here. And obviously I had part left over, so I've also glued those on lower down. Now the other type of detail are these arches and windows. Now again, it would have been very difficult to cut those into the grey board, so what I did was I went to a store called Hobbycraft and I bought these foam sheets, which are about 2mm thick, and you can draw the design on them using a template and a pen. You can cut it out with scissors or a craft knife and then glue it on, and you get very nice intricate detail made very easily. Now if I rotate the tower slightly, I can show you these outer walls. So you got the same basic detail reproduced all the way around, but you've also got these thorns here, or spikes. They're made from foam core, and then lower down right at the bottom you've got these buttresses, and again they are made from foam core, cut up with a template, and then I had to cut it with a craft knife to give it this blade-like edge to resemble what you see in the movie. So this is the base of the tower overall. Eventually it needs to be painted black and the top section needs to be added, and then it should be finished. I'll do another video to show you once I've made some progress, but for now that's it, so thanks for watching.